Hi guys, my name is Stephanie Fair and I'm the Technology Facilitator at David W. Butler High School, and this quick video tutorial is how to print a paper copy of a Canvas quiz. So, first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go into our Canvas class, and then we're going to need to select the test or the quiz that we need the students to have a paper copy of. So I'm going to click my test. If you notice, this test is a new quiz in Canvas, so we are going to need to make sure that we're in the build section of it. Once you're in the build section, in the top right hand corner, you're going to click the three-dot menu, and then you're going to click either print a blank quiz or print the quiz with the answer key. The difference between the two is the blank quiz is the type of quiz that you'll want the students to have. If you do the one with the answers, then there'll be the answers in the key. So you can select the text size, how you'd like it, and then you hit print preview. One of the things you may or may not see when you do a print preview is you may or may not see the preview loaded when you're in the print queue version of it, but it will be 11 pages and then you would simply hit print. So that is how you print it. If you want to see it outside the preview before you hit print, this is what it would look like. Okay, so it's going to look just like a Canvas quiz, except for it's going to be on paper. There you go.